Here we are again with the RS1600 day, 155,000 it feels like. Today we have finished the seatbelts. And they're in and they're good, and they were, and we have a towel on the back shelf because we've still got to restore the parcel shelf, and we've made a padded cover for the steering wheel to keep everyone happy. So just removable, so we won't be having that on the shows, but yes, that was fun to make. Only took about 45 hours, hand sewed, so there you go. Anyway, we will contact compliance now and see if we can get the job finished. So there we go. Oh, the seat go back. But anyway, oh, the number plates turned up today. So yeah, same number plates for, but with Queensland, and they only cost us $3,500. I know. Right, there you go. Job done.